Good day to all. Welcome to the Faculty of Electronics and Computer Engineering, University Technical Malaysia Malacca. This presentation is about outcome-based education, or fondly known as OBE, and its implementation at FKEKK. Since 2005, FKEKK has been adopting OBE approach in all of its program offering. This includes the Bachelor of Electronic Engineering program and the Diploma of Electronic Engineering program. So, what is OBE? OBE is a student-centered learning philosophy that focuses on empirically measuring student performance, which are called outcomes. OBE is a process that involves assessment and evaluation practices in education to reflect the attainment of expected learning and showing mastery in the program area. Ultimately, OBE leads to three important targets: improved learning, increase in institutional effectiveness, and enhanced accountability. OBE offered many advantages to any academic program and students' development. These include more directed and coherent curriculum. Graduates will be more relevant to industry and other stakeholders. A more well-rounded graduates for the job market. Continual quality improvement, CQI, is an inevitable process embedded in the OBE for quality assurance. The main elements in the OBE curriculum development are program objectives, also known as PEO, program outcomes, also known as PO, course learning outcomes, also known as LO, and performance indicators. For detailed explanation, every learning outcome is intentional and therefore, the outcomes must be assessed using suitable performance indicators. Program outcomes address knowledge, skills and attitudes to be attained by students, while the program objectives address the graduate's attainment within 3 to 5 years after their graduation. Following the OBE, the program educational objectives, PEO, are developed through interviews and surveys from the stakeholders including industries, government, parents, students, alumni, and the university's mission and vision. This signifies that the programs offered in FKEKK are relevant to the current needs of industries and society, and for the preparation of high-quality future talents. The PEO also indicates what the students should achieve in 3 to 5 years after graduation. Each program have program outcomes, PO, that describe what students are expected to know and be able to perform or attain upon graduation. FKEKK is adopting the PO as stated by Washington Accord and Engineering Accreditation Council in its EAC manual. Learning outcomes are a set of outcomes that the students need to achieve upon completing a course. It defines the type and depth of learning that the students will embark for the whole semester. Learning outcomes also provide the benchmark for formative and summative learning assessment. It guides and organizes the lecturer and the students in the learning session, with clear linkage between the LO and the PO. The LO attainment that uses direct and indirect measurement tools are collected from the online-based system called System OBE. The respective lecturer can perform the analysis to determine the achievement of the related LO. The analysis results will then determine the appropriate actions for CQI. In a direct measurement tool, the data obtained from System OBE will be used as an input to measure the achievement of PO. The indirect measurement tool is also carried out to students in their graduating year. The analysis results from direct and indirect measurement tools will then determine the appropriate actions for CQI. The measurement of PEO is conducted through survey on alumni and their employers for at least 3 to 5 years. after their graduation. The analysis results will then determine the appropriate actions for CQI. As the program objectives, the program shall produce graduates who are competent to apply knowledge in the field of electronic engineering, able to assist in providing creative and innovative solutions in practical electronic engineering problems, able to display exemplary interpersonal, entrepreneurship and social skills as well as upholding high ethical value, and recognize the need of lifelong learning through continuous education, technical training or professional development. For Diploma in Electronic Engineering, the program outcomes encompassing 11 elements that includes 1. Engineering knowledge. 2. Problem analysis. 3. Investigation. 4. Modern tool usage. 5. The engineered in society. 6. Communications. 7. Individual and teamwork. 8. Ethics. 9. Management and entrepreneurship. 10. Sustainable development. And 11. Lifelong learning. UTEMS has developed a system called System OBE to organize and assist in the implementation of the OBE system throughout the whole faculties. The system can be accessed through the UTEMS online portal. ICGPA is a strategy that embraces a holistic and balanced reporting of students' abilities. The acronym ICGPA stands for Integrated Cumulative Grade Point Average. Integrated simply means that the reporting of students' academic assessment performance includes the knowledge, skills, and attitude that students acquire throughout the duration of their study. The knowledge, skills and attitude are clearly stipulated in the Malaysian qualification framework. The core of ICGPA is students' attainment of each PO. In turn, each PO corresponds to the 8 learning outcome domains of the MQF. More info on OBE and other related topics can be found at utems.edu.my/fkekk. Our social media platforms are also available for up-to-date information and events happening in FKEKK. Thank you for watching, and may peace be upon you.